Imagine being on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic, having to battle the virus yourself and coming out on the other side.
Tonight, RTV6's Nicole Griffin is talking with a local nurse who is walking us through her journey from being diagnosed to now giving back to other patients.
A sign of hope and progress today outside of Franciscan Health. Staff members gathered to put these pinwheels in the ground. 293 were placed out, each one representing a patient with COVID-19 who has now recovered and has been discharged from the hospital.
This is a pandemic, and we're emergency nurses, and this is what we went to school for. This is what we were built for, and this is what we love to do.
Emily Kornprobst is a nurse in the ER at Franciscan Health.
We've been focusing on those COVID patients. Anxiety is a big one. With not being able to breathe, people get anxious, which makes their breathing worse.
In March, she was diagnosed with the coronavirus, forcing her to stay home to recover for 3 weeks.
Most severe symptom was the pain in my legs and my lower back.
But now she's back at work, where she joined her coworkers for this ceremony Thursday to honor the patients they have helped recover from the virus.
We never are going to forget those that we've lost. But the other side of it is there have been people that have recovered, that have survived, and that can live to tell their story.
Each of those patients represents a pinwheel. Each of those patients represents such heroic care given by our caregivers and physicians.
Franciscan Health's president and CEO says stories of recovery and the work being done inside these walls every day are important to share.
We've been in this pandemic for over 3 months, so this was a nice moment to pause and recognize that heroic care and life-saving work.
I feel very hopeful. I feel very blessed to have survived the virus and then to be able to give back.
While working back in the ER, Emily is also now helping some of the most critically ill patients by donating her plasma. Working for you, Nicole Griffin, RTV6.
Well, Emily is one of 3 ER nurses we told you about back in May who contracted the virus and is now donating their plasma. Franciscan Health CEO is encouraging the community to continue wearing their masks when appropriate in public and keeping 6 feet between you and others to avoid another COVID-19 patient surge.